I first went to them because you could get all your dentistry work done under one roof. And then finding out that they're very talented, they do great work, and they're very meticulous about how they handle their work. That really solidified my decision in staying with them for the last 13 years. Mole removal was never really a thought, but knowing that he does such great work with implants and oral surgery, I could trust him with that area of other specialties that he has. I was in one day, and within 3 days, healing up very well, and I was amazed at the before and after picture. It was very affordable too, so it was just another addition to the services that they offer from the Dental Dream team.